Good morning, student. Today we will going to discuss about the digital presentation. So in this particular digital presentation, today's topic that we will going to discuss using the table in the presentation, using the image in a presentation, and slide master I have shown you in the previous day, also in the class also I have shown you. So again I will show you. Slide master means different type of effects, animated effect. Just now you have seen here the animated effect. The thing is coming from down, the thing is coming from up. So those the things, animated effect, what are there that we will give, that is said as a slide master. Okay, let us see how we can work on it, how we can do it, those the things, and this will be what our end of the digital presentation, and there we will end part P completely. So this is what the slide master is. Let us see it. Now see here in this particular slide, what we say that we can take a different type of slides. Okay, a different pattern of slides. So you can go to the new slides, and in a new slides there are the different form of a slide. So you can bring it if you select the title there, this particular slide, say the slides is there. From here you can implement the table also, or you can implement the table from the particular area like insert. If you go to the insert option, two way I'll show you. First, for insert table. So insert table, see here how many columns and rows that you want to implement, that you can implement there. Suppose I am implementing here this particular number of columns. You can draw it also as per your requirement. You can draw it. You make this particular table bigger. Now which form you want to implement, what is the presentational form that you can make the table to be worked with. So see here you will go to the batch master. So there are the different pattern of forms. You can get it and you can implement those different type of styles, different type of structures in the table. Suppose if you want this one, if you want this yellow one, this green one if you want. Okay, this particular blue pattern, that also you can use. So any of the pattern, this orange pattern, suppose this orange pattern you have used it. Now see here there are the borders. So if you give only inside, okay, border, suppose those the border, what you can do, you can select the lines. And you can select the colors. So as you can select a line, see here how what are the size of the lines that you want to select. Suppose this lines I am selecting. So when I am selecting this line, now I have to select the color. There are the different writing patterns are there. Okay, those are the pen colors are there. You can select a pen color. Suppose here you are taking red color. So as you are taking the red color, instead of going there, what you can do, see here all borders. Okay, so all borders, if you give all borders, see all border, all the borders came in a dotted form. And now if you want to change this particular dot form into some more format, okay, some more format, if you want to give it, so how much point you want to make this one. Suppose this much big you want to make it. So when you want to make this one this much big, you suppose change, you can change there. Suppose I am giving this particular color, and instead of drawing the table, we can go for the border and all the borders. So when you select all the borders, see the outline of the border will going to come. So this way you can use the particular thing. Suppose now you want to write it. So when you open the table, you can find it, the table tool will open. There is a design. From this design you can see what we have, a table style. So we can use the table style. We can use the word styles from there, and there is one thing that is called a layout. Okay, so if you click on the layout, so if you want to insert one more column, if you want to insert one more values of it, so those the implementations, those the data implementation that we can do. You can split it. Suppose this section you want to split, you can do the splitting of this. That means as per your requirement, you can bring those data, you can make those data. Now bringing it back or front, that I'll show you afterwards. Okay, that I'll show you afterwards. Now here, you want to write, suppose you are writing here. So suppose you are writing grossary, grocery. Okay, you are written here grocery. Now you have written here which month. Suppose Jan, January. Okay. Then if B, February. Then suppose March, March, March. Then suppose April, April, April. Now here you are writing the particular thing, suppose RICE, rice. Then you have written wheat, WHEAT, wheat. Now those the things coloring about it, implementing the color that we can give. Suppose here I am writing 56, then here I am writing 87, then here I am writing randomly some values I am giving it here, then I am writing here 88, and here I am writing, suppose okay. So those the values what are there, we have written all these values, and after you write all these value, if you select this, okay, if you select this particular area, say you can make it smaller, or if you select those areas, this particular area, that means suppose those the particular values what are there, so these the values what we have. See here, there are the different writing pattern or writing style. Glow effect, if you want a glow effect on it, that also you can give it. Suppose you implement the glow effect on it, on this particular glowing effect, what pattern of glowing effect has been there, says red glowing effect, you can give the other color of glowing effect also. So this the green glowing effect also you can give it. So when we are giving the glowing effect, you can use the style of the writing. From here only I am doing, from home also you can do. Okay, from home also you can do it, you can implement it. Different styles of writings are there, different pattern of writing color. If you want to give the writing color, there are some quick styles are available. If you want those quick pattern or quick styles that are there, those the particular pattern or particular styles also you can give to it. So whatever the pattern or designing you want, that you can give it. Suppose this one I have given it from here, and those the values, suppose I want to give it from the home. So in the home you can see here, there is also different pattern of writing, different style of writing. Suppose I am selecting this one, and when I am selecting this one, I have increased suppose its size. As I am increasing size, suppose I want to give some color, those the colors what is there, suppose I want to give some color. So this is the way also you can implement it, and you can give it. So you can find it that how we are implementing those pattern, how we are implementing those particular structures. Okay, so this is the way that you can bring it. Another way, what we say, from here also you can bring the particular table. Suppose based on this you want to do one graph. Okay, so there are the different type of graph. You can select any pattern of graph, you can implement any pattern of graph. So those the graph what is there, so this pattern of graph is there, there is this pattern of graph, this is the graphical pattern, this is also one pattern of graphs. So any pattern of graphs of, if you give it, okay, see the graph will going to come. Wait a second, it will take a little bit of time. Based on that also you can do the graph. Wait, that also I am showing to you. So see here, that it will take a little bit of time to implement that graph, because it will bring it from the Excel. See, The graph is there. Based on the graph, see here the data is there. Suppose here I am writing here January, January, January. This one I am writing suppose February. Okay, February, February. And then if you want to increase it, you can increase the things also. Now suppose March, March. So here I am giving the particular name, suppose RICE, rice. Then I am giving here suppose T URAD, urad dal. Then BLACK, black, DAL, dal. Okay. Then GRE and green, DAL, dull. So all these things I have written. You can see here those the data values are changing. Okay, now if you want to close this, those the inside data also you can change, and if you want to close it, you can close it. The thing will be implemented, and thing has been implemented in this particular manner. Okay, now there is the color. You can select the color, whichever color you want. Suppose you want this color, you can give those color. From this color, see there are so many styles, there are so many patterns of writings are there. You can implement any of this particular pattern, any of this particular style, whichever you think that you find it the best. Okay, suppose this one I have given. Now from here also you can add the particular charts are there, different type of charts are there. This is the things, and this is what you can go for the format. If you want to change the writing, suppose title here, this title I am giving the title grocery, GROSSARY, grocery. So when I have given it, I choose this particular pattern of writing. So if I choose this particular pattern of writing, obviously I have to select it, and when I am selecting it, you see this particular pattern of writing came. And now if you want to give any effect on it, okay, if you want to give any effect on it, say those the effects are there. Reflection effect if you want to give, that also become. If you want to give a shadow effect, okay, see here shadow effects are there. So which side shadow you want to give, shadow effect will going to come. So this is what about the thing. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, okay, this particular portion, if you want to make it bigger, this way you can move it. This way you can move it, and if you want to make it bigger, so this is the thing that we can implement it, and we can work on it. So different type of implementation of it. Now next I'll show you a picture. Okay, suppose here you want to insert, say, so many way of inserting the pictures also. You can insert the picture directly from here. Okay, you can insert the picture, online pictures. Let it to come, because it will going to take a little bit of time to bring it the being to be implemented here. Okay, so that duration of time you have to give it. See, it came. Now suppose I am giving here pulses, PULSES, pulses. So suppose when I click on it, the different pattern of pulses, see those the pulses came. You can take any type of pulses picture, any pattern of pulses picture. Suppose this one, all the pulses are there. So this the picture what it is coming. Just a moment, see those the pulses are there, and you can give this one here. Okay, so those the pulses are there. Suppose this pulses it came. So see here. Now if I make it little bit bigger, it will come here. So what I'll do, bring forward or bring backward. If you select this one, and you can make it, or you can make the arrangement of it that you want to give it in the backward or front, or this picture also you can select. If you select the picture, okay, picture you can arrange it, that how you can give the picture, whether you want to arrange the picture, bring it back, send to back. So if I send to back, say half of the thing has been went back. Okay, so this title I am deleting, because title we don't require here at this area. So groceries, those the pulses are there, and based on these pulses what happen, we can have our those particular pattern or structures. Okay, so this is the particular pattern or structures that we can find. This is the particular pattern or structures that we are constructing. Now suppose there I am going to insert a new slide. Okay, suppose I am selecting this title and content. So see here, as we have inserted the picture there, from here also we can insert a picture. So online picture, click on the online picture, this Bing will going to open. So as Bing will going to open, you can give whatever the picture you want. Suppose INDIAN, Indian, MONUMENTS, Indian monuments. Indian monuments. So different pattern of Indian monuments are there, and those the Indian monuments what we can find, that you can use this those the Indian monument pictures. They are so beautiful pictures are there. Beautifully they are been designed. Our different renewable sculptures are there, isn't it? We have all this so many. See, so many pictures are there. Suppose this one, one of the beautiful golden temple also you can take. Suppose I am taking this one, insert. So as we are inserting it, see here, this the insertion will going to be implemented. The picture is downloading, and as the picture will download, the picture will going to come here. Okay, so for this implementation, obviously you have to give little bit of time. See, the thing has came here in this particular area, in this particular part. Suppose you I am giving here the title, INDIAN, Indian monument. Okay, Indian monument. So this is the thing, this is the part that we have given, or we have constructed. So all this particular pattern of construction, all this particular type of constructions that we do have, and we do maintain the particular thing. Now if you want to write anything here, and if you suppose you want to take it here, so it will be back. Now you can go to the arrange, send back. If you do send back, see Indian monument that came in at front. Okay, so those are the pattern, or those are the series. That's when we are constructing it, when we are making it, we can make them in this particular manner, and we can make them in this particular way. Okay, so this is the way of creating the different pattern or different styles, and those the different styles, that means I have shown you how to implement the table, how to implement the pictures, how to combine the picture with a table, how to bring the different picture, how to send the picture in a background. Now one more thing is there that I want to show you, that I have shown you earlier also, to implement the slide master. What is a slide master? Slide master means those the transitions. Suppose in this particular slide I want to give some transitions. Okay, I am giving this particular curtain effect. Fine, here I am giving the curtain effect. Now here in this particular one I want to give some other effect. Suppose glitter effect I am giving it here. Okay, and when I am giving the glitter effect, that glitter effect will going to come. Now here suppose I want to give the this flipping effect. Okay, see here, flipping effect is been affected. Now you can give the effect on those words also. Suppose this way, this area, if you select those things. Okay, suppose you select those areas. When you select those areas, you can go for the animations. In the animations, there are so many different pattern of animation patterns are there. Suppose if you want to glow sing, see. Okay, glossing, any pattern of animations you can give. Suppose here we have two pictures. This picture I am selecting, and after selecting here this picture, see here I am giving here color plus. Okay, see different colors have been if you are not done, let us give it spin. Okay, now if you select this one and this one, we are giving here the random bars. See random bars. Now here this particular you have to select it. If you not select it, then those things will not be implemented. You can click on this particular button. In this particular button you can see here so many type of implementations are there. Whichever the implementation, suppose bounce. Okay, bouncing effect. Now this Indian monuments you select it, and Indian monuments you also you can give it, suppose fly effects. So fly effects, when you give the fly effects, fly from where, which corner? Suppose from the bottom corner. Okay, now let us do the slideshow. See here, from the beginning, I am at this slides, but I want to do from the beginning. From the beginning. Okay, so see here. Okay, now the next one, see. Okay, I haven't removed that, you can remove it. Now the next one.